Welcome to a new episode. This time is going to be a vocabulary lesson by Fluent AF Academy. Let's start. Zanahoria. Maíz. Maíz. Lechuga. Lechuga. Calabacín. Calabaza. Calabaza. Pimiento. Pimiento. And here we have three types of pimiento. We have rojo, verde, amarillo. Pimiento rojo, pimiento verde, pimiento amarillo. Patata. Patata, probably the funny one. Tomate. Tomate. And let me show you an important expression that we use a lot in Spanish. Te has puesto rojo como un tomate. Means that you turned red as a tomato. Imagine that you are going to talk with the girl that you like and you just turn it red. So your friends just will tell you like, oh, te has puesto rojo como un tomate. Espinaca. Espinaca. Acelga. Acelga. Judía verde. Brócoli. Col rizada. Berenjena. Berenjena. Pepino. Guisante. This is my favorite one. Nabo. Nabo. So nabo means triumph. In English is the vegetable that we use to make soups. But easy with this, just because in formal or colloquial language in Spanish, it can also have a double meaning and refer to the male sexual organ, like means penis. To put you an example, we are going to use two sentences. Like first one, que nabo, means like, oh, what a dick. I don't know if I can say this on YouTube actually, but you understand. And the second one, cómeme el nabo, is like an expression. It's like, hey, just suck my, and you know. It's very friendly, so don't be scared to use it. Coliflor. Coliflor. Cebolla. Cebolla. Puerro. And that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching the video. Have a lovely day. Bye.